Okay, so one of the points of the discussion is what's the difference between okay, let me read the actual form it gives you here. It says, why would a programmer use a structure rather than just an array? Explain your stance on this topic. Okay, there's not a right or wrong answer here, okay? And I'm going to put that into discussion. But here's the thing to kind of consider. I always ask myself a few questions, and then depending upon the answers to those questions, it then determines what it is. Ideally, if you have three pieces of information to keep track of, let's say somebody's first name, last name, and age, okay, as an example. You could have a first name array, you could have a last name array, you could have an age array, and each position in that array would be a person. Okay? So, if I was looking for, me, for example, first name, number 1, 2, whatever, Czar. Second name, or the second array would be last name, the same index number, Sebastian. Then a third would be the same index number, old. No, I'm kidding. And in each one of those particular cases, I would then, if I was going to sort, I'd have to make sure to sort all the arrays the same way. If I was going to search, I'd have to search all the arrays the same way. I'd search one, find what I'm looking for, access the elements of each one of the array based off the index number. Can it be done? Yes. Is it messy and sloppy? I would say yes. I would put out there that yes, indeed it is. So, one of the things that I would look for is, if I have to keep track of more than one element, it's time to start looking at a structure. Now, that's my opinion. You can have whatever opinion you want. And this particular, one of the questions is about opinions. And the other question is about ethics. And that's something that you can really drill down in, I guess. So, either way, that kind of gets you started. I'm not telling you what your opinion should be, but that's my opinion. That's how I determine it. So either way, I look forward to the discussion this week, as I always do. And last week, right? Good. All right. I'll see what you have to say very soon.